Hi, my name is Dr. Jared Young, and I know that in these uncertain times, a lot of us are feeling trapped and maybe a little bit out of control, and that can drive feelings of fear and anxiety. And it's important to understand that's a natural, physiological, chemical, neurological reaction to the things that are happening around us. But it's also important to understand that you can take control of that response and not be a slave to it. Now, the one thing that we can all do to take control of that stress response is change how we breathe. I'm not going to get into the science of how and why right now. I don't want to lose your attention, but just trust me for a minute that if you change how you breathe, you're going to have a better mood, so you'll have less depression, less anxiety. You're going to have a stronger immune system, so your body will be more prepared to fight the virus if and when you get exposed to it. And you'll have less pain throughout your body and whatever pain you have. Now, right now we have an opportunity to spend time with our families. And sometimes, right now, a lot more time than a lot of us are used to. And that can be a really positive thing. It's a positive opportunity, but it can also become a thing that becomes something negative. If you practice this breathing technique with your family, I promise it'll be better than it would have been if you didn't. All right, now, the muscle I'm talking about is your diaphragm. Okay, your diaphragm is this parachute-shaped muscle that's up underneath your rib cage. It attaches to the entire circumference of your rib cage and to the bottom of your lungs. And when it contracts properly, it pulls your lungs down, pushes your ribs out, and tractions your spine. The health benefits that you get by doing this, the list is really long. I talked about about moods and immune function. You get more dopamine and serotonin into your brain. All kinds of really good things happen when you use that muscle to breathe with. So if you click the link below, there's a training, completely complimentary training on how to activate that muscle and how to train it every day so that it becomes what you breathe with on an ongoing basis. Thanks.